Hello everyone, welcome to our video series on CRM. In today's video, we will going to cover effective data management in CRM. This is very important topic. So stay tuned and let's discuss on data management in CRM. Let's talk about understanding customer data management. What is customer data management? It's all about organizing, managing, and prioritizing customer data in an effective way. Let's start and talk about customer data management. CRM system store customer data that includes contact details, purchase history, or any conversations of users of CRM with the customer. So there is a huge chunk of the data is been stored in the CRM. Systematic management of the data is very important for the success of the CRM. Let's talk about cleansing of data. Why data cleanup is important? If CRM has proper data, accurate data, and the information of the data stored in the CRM is easily accessible, then it will help you to find anything from the CRM easily available. If there is a duplication of the data, error in the data, or something is the data which is not proper, then it will not going to give you a correct output. So cleansing of the data is very important and you should have to take that regularly in your CRM system. Data collection and data entry. It is very important for you that you have to train your team to do a properly data entry in the system, specifically in the CRM system, to make sure the data has been inputted properly or accurately. This will help to have the CRM to be properly managed, and it will help you as well as users to see all the data of the customer accurately in your CRM system. Data segmentation. Divide your customer by group based on location, based on geographic location, based on country, state, or purchase history to use that data for the marketing purpose. So data segmentation is very important whenever you want to find the customer from your database. So categorization of the data is very important for your business to easily capture the data from the system. Security measures. Data security is paramount. Implement all possible security measures which you require to protect your data, because data is the new oil for you as well as your customer. It means your data of your customers should not be hacked by anyone or any hacker from anywhere in the world. So use whatever the technique you require to implement inside the CRM to protect your data, and it should be compliance with all the regulatory authority like GDPR, HIPAA compliance, or any other protect mechanism to be used to secure the data CRM. Leveraging customer data. Now let's talk about leveraging the customer data effectively. So every CRM is a dashboard. So it is good practice for you or any of your users in the system or a management user to get the access of data quickly and effectively from the dashboard. So your dashboard should be proper or neat and clean, so your support team or your sales team or your management team can access those data effectively from dashboard. Okay, so that's a wrap of customer data management. Make sure cleansing, proper data management, as well as effectively use of the data in the CRM would be key to success and key to have the CRM to be work properly for your company. Hope you like this video. Feel free to contact us or message on the comment box for any question. We will happy to answer you anytime. Thank you so much.